Hello friends, my name is Mukesh Vaidyanathan. Last time we have seen in lesson number 3, completed question answer. Now lesson number 4, from the diary of Anne Frank, by Anne Frank. Means she told about herself, what she observed. Now see first on the left side character sketch. In the chapter from the diary of Anne Frank, the writer Anne Frank tells about her true companion, a diary. She writes everything about her life in her diary and consider it her true friend. She firmly believed that her diary, considered to be the best friend, and that is why she firmly believed that what she wrote in her diary, it reminds her about past, her life, and considered to be the true friend at the time of invention of German over Holland, attack of German over Holland, her family had itself all that time she started to write in her diary. She spent her present years hidden from outside world, and her diary kept all her secrets. What she said, she firmly believed that this particular diary is her true companion. She can keep with her at any time, and it reminds. And that is why he said that at the time of invention, fighting of German over Holland, her family hid itself. At that time, she started to write in her diary. She spent her adolescent years hidden from outside world, and her diary kept all her secret. She hide that no, not any person can see in this way. She started writing diary, and in her diary she wrote everything. That is why she firmly believed that diary play an important role in each and every person's life. If you write, then you can, or you are able to read, and you can keep it wherever you go. It cannot be misplaced or cannot go far away from you. That is why, according to her, this diary is very important, and that is why she firmly believed in this. About the characters, Anne Frank, a 13-year-old Jewish girl who writes a diary while she is hiding in Amsterdam from the Nazis during World War II. As you know, Second World War, at the time of Second World War, which started 1939 and ended in 1945, that you know. At that time, she hid, and the particular girl, Anne Frank, Jewish girl, only age 13 years old, and she wrote a diary, hiding from the particular place during the Nazi during the World War II. She firmly believed in what she observed, which type of difficulty she faced. She wrote everything in diary. Second, Margot Frank, Annie's sister. She is 3 years older than Annie. Annie's sister, she is 3 years older than Annie. Annie is 13, so naturally she is older. 3 years, that means around 16. Otto Frank, Anne's father, he is a Jewish businessman who left Germany after Hitler's rise to power, hoping to find refuge in Holland. Second, Otto Frank, Anne's father. Margot Frank, that was Anne's sister. Otto Frank, Anne's father. He is a Jewish businessman who left Germany when Hitler came to power and hoping to find refuge in Holland. Mrs. Frank, Anne's mother, she is the source of many conflict with Anne during the 2 years that the family spends in hiding. Family remain in hiding, nobody can know in this way. She is the source of many conflict, fighting during these 2 years. Mr. Van Daan, a Jewish businessman and an associate of Mr. Frank. He is also a Jewish businessman and concerned with Mr. Frank. And Mr. Kissing, Anne's teacher, who punishes her as he gets annoyed by her talkative nature. Another Mr. Kissing, Anne's teacher, who punishes her as she gets annoyed by her talkative nature. Anne's nature was talkative. Talkative, that who believing in talking. Some are, as very talkative. So, main character 6, Anne Frank herself, Jewish girl of 13, who wrote diary. Margot Frank, Anne's sister, 3 years older than Anne. Otto Frank, Anne's father. Mrs. Frank, Anne's mother. Mr. Van Daan, Jewish businessman, and Mr. Kissing, her teacher. There are main 6 characters in this story. Clear? Now summary of the chapter. Anne Frank's first entry in the diary. When did she start writing diary? First entry. Anne Frank, a 13-year-old girl, was gifted a diary by her father, so she decided to write in her diary, which she considered to be her best friend in loneliness, and named it Kitty. Anne Frank, 13 years old girl, who was gifted a diary by her father. Her father gave her a diary that was gifted, and she started writing. She considered to be her best friend in loneliness and named it Kitty. She began writing in June 1942. Keep in mind the date. She began that started writing in June 1942. In her first entry, she expressed her desire to confine everything to the diary, as she hadn't been able to do so to anyone else. She didn't want to show anyone else, but she wanted to write in diary, and she first started writing diary in June 1942. She felt that paper had more passions than people. She firmly believed paper has more passions, keeping control, than people. Secondly, she thought that nobody would be interested in her diary, as she was a small girl. Second, her thought, nobody can take interest in reading her diary because she was small, 13 years old girl. What people think of? People do not take interest in her diary. So, in this way, she started writing diary, which was given by her father to her. Second, she gave name that particular diary Kitty. She started writing in June 1942, and she firmly believed that she could not tell anything to others, but she wanted to write everything in her diary. And second, her thinking was that nobody can take interest in reading her diary. Now, her childhood and family. Anne called her father the most adorable person. He was 36 when he married her mother, who was just 25. She had an older sister, Margot. About her childhood and family. Anne called her father the most adorable person. Attractive, good. He was 36 when he was married. When he married her mother, who was just 25. That means her father's age at the time of marriage 36. Her mother's age was 25 at the time of marriage. She had an older sister named Margot. Older, that you know, around 14 years of age, 3 years older than Anne. She had about 30 people around her, but she had no true friend. There were 30 people around her, but she had no friend. She had no friend, as you know. She had about 30 people around her, but she had no true friend. They lived in Frankfurt for some time, but as they were Jewish, they had to migrate to Holland for refuge. Jewish, that is why German people didn't like Jewish people, and that is why they left Germany and went to Holland for refuge, for taking shelter, for living. Clear? Next, Anne's schooling. Now about school. She was sent to a Montessori nursery school. She stayed there until she was 6. And she was sent to Montessori nursery school. She stayed there until she was 6. At her farewell, she and her headmistress, Mrs. Cooperus, had tears in their eyes. At the time of leaving the school, but at the time of farewell, both had tears in their eyes. Both means Anne and her headmistress, Mrs. Cooperus, had tears in their eyes while Anne leaving the school. Her grandmother's death. In the summer of 1941, her grandmother fell ill. She had to be operated upon, but she died in January 1942. In the summer of 1941, her grandmother was suffering, fell ill. She had to be operated upon, but she died in January 1942. It gave Anne a shock, and she did not write her diary in that period. It gave one type of shock. Naturally, any person died in the family member, then it gives shock, and she did not write her diary in that period. But after that, she wrote again as she thought of her grandmother's love and affection. Then she started writing a diary. Earlier on, due to her grandmother's death, she was unable to write diary. But later on, she started writing diary, remembering her grandmother's love and affection. Next page. Her view about teachers. What she thought about teachers. Anne was not good at maths, so she and her friends were always worried about it. and was not good at maths. When you want to say about subject with good, then at coming in, not coming, not telling that good, not good in maths, it is not proper, not good at maths. That means she found this particular subject hard. So, she and her friends were worried, always worried about it naturally. But she was sure that she would go to the next class. She always considered teachers to be the most unpredictable creatures on the earth. She always thinking the teachers most unpredictable. What we say and what teacher says, believing believing that teachers unpredictable creatures on the earth. So she told her friend not to lose hope. Not to lose hope. Even though she could not understand, she herself believing and telling friends not to lose hope. That means she had hope and she believing in hard work, even though finding maths hard then also. Next point, punishment by Mr. Kissing. Anne was a good student and had a good relationship with all the teachers except Mr. Kissing, who taught her maths. She had good relationship. She kept good student, good relationship with all the teacher except maths teacher Mr. Kissing, who taught her maths. He was always annoyed by her talkative nature. Her nature was talkative, and that is why Mr. Kissing, maths teacher, did not like this. He used to give her extra homework as punishment. So, maths teacher Mr. Kissing started giving her extra homework because her nature was talkative, and Mr. Kissing, maths teacher, didn't like this. He asked her to write an essay on a chatterbox. He also put a slip of it on her back to remind her about it. He gave to write an essay, and not only this, he wrote a slip piece of paper and he kept in her bag so that she could not forget. Then completion of homework. Completion of homework. Anne was unable to understand what she could write in the essay. She could not understand what she could write in particular essay. She did not understood. She started writing to consider it the necessity. She wrote the 3 pages for her satisfaction. She defined it as a feature of student and also mentioned that she inherited this trait from her mother, who also used to talk much. She was unable to understand what she could write in essay. She started writing considering the necessity, the teacher giving in homework extra work punishment because her nature was talkative, and in the end she accepted also that she got this particular talkative nature inherited straight from her mother. Her mother was also talkative, so she was also talkative, also believing in talking too much. Next, homework given as punishment again. Mr. Kissing read Anne's essay in front of the class and laughed at it because she did not write proper. What is coming or what was coming in her mind, she wrote, and that is why Mr. Kissing, the teacher of maths, read that essay in front of the class and laughed. He gave her another essay as a punishment on the topic, an incorrigible chatterbox, and quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. So he became angry and again giving the homework about this particular topic, this time giving topic an incorrigible chatterbox, and quack, quack and quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. This particular two subject homework he gave again to N. Anne mocked Mr. Kissing amusingly with her homework. Anne wanted to write something interesting and different this time. So, with the help of her friend Shane, who was good at poetry, she wrote an essay in verse. This time, wanted to write something interesting and somehow different. So, with the help of her friend named Sen, who was good at poetry, who was expert in writing poem, she wrote essay in verse. Verse, you know, in the form of poetry. It was about three ducklings going dead because their father duck beat them as they quacked too much. And this particular poem she wrote about three ducklings going dead because their father duck beat them as they quacked too much, that is why she died. Mr. Kissing took the joke in the right way and didn't bother Anne for a talking after that incident. Mr. Kissing took the joke in the right way, realized, and further didn't bother and talk after this incident. She was not even given any extra homework after that. After reading this particular essay in the sense in the form of prose poem by taking the help of our friend Shane, and wrote about this particular duck and telling that duck had beaten three ducklings and that is why she died. So Mr. Kissing realized, understand what Anne wanted to say, and further he didn't give any homework, extra homework to her. Now on right side, chapter highlights. Chapter highlights. Anne Frank lived in Holland after Hitler invaded. They lived in hiding many years to survive. Anne Frank lived in Holland after Hitler invaded. They lived in hiding for many years to survive their lives. They remain hiding, nobody knows. In this way, they remain. Second, her father and mother left her and her sister to her grandma. Her father and mother left her and her sister to her grandma. Mother and father went, leaving her and her sister with grandmother. She was very close to her grandma. After her death, she felt very much alone. She was very much close to grandmother. and after her death she remained alone. Number 4, she was gifted a diary on her 13th birthday and she named it Kitty and made it her best friend in her loneliness. As you know, she was gifted a diary on her 13th birthday by her father and she named it Kitty and made it her best friend in loneliness. She wrote every problem and happenings in her diary. She wrote every problems, what happens in her diary. She was lovable of every teacher except Mr. Kissing who taught maths. She liked each and every teacher except Mr. Kissing who was the maths teacher. Mr. Kissing got annoyed with her talkative nature, so he punished her by giving her extra homework many a time. Her teacher, as you know, Mr. Kissing got angry due to the talkative nature and give extra homework as a punishment. He asked her to write an essay on the topic a Chatterley's box as punishment. So he asked her to write particular essay in homework. She wrote the essay in verse form on topic quack quack quack, said Mr. Chatterbox, which humiliated Mr. Kissing. And she wrote the essay in the verse form topic quack quack quack, said Mr. Chatterbox, which humiliated Mr. Kissing. He realized after reading this, he allowed her to talk and relieved her from any extra homework. So he realized what she wanted to tell and he stopped giving further homework or extra homework. Clear? Keeping till here. We should realize that we must think about particular points. You have to write all this one time in your book and read 3 times. Clear? Further word meaning, question answer we will see in next period. Okay, bye, see you, thank you.